Welcome back. Now let's talk about the benefits of starting on Rover. When you start on Rover as a dog sitter, dog walker, you will not have any overhead cost, such as having a facility with a monthly rent. You don't have any advertising costs because Rover does that for you. And the biggest benefit of starting on Rover is if you do have a passion for dogs, but you're not sure if you want to start your own business just yet, starting on Rover will really give you insight and help you decide if you want to stick with Rover or down the road in the near future, or maybe a year from now, you want to take your Rover business to the next level, as in starting your very own dog business.
Plus, I can't forget to mention the other main benefit of starting on Rover is the ability to build a part-time to a full-time income, depending on two factors: your availability and how many dogs you are able to take in each week. With all these benefits, is this something that you can do? Now, if money is going to be the only reason you are on Rover, let me tell you, the clients are not stupid. They are going to know that you're only in it for the money. But remember, if you treat this like a business, you will get clients, you will get repeating clients, and all the benefits of starting on Rover will be worth it. So let's continue on and make your Rover business a success.